Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just going to be directing it to the girls out there. If you haven't started doing makeup, like seriously, what are you waiting for? So I'm going to be showing you guys the basic, essential, necessary tools that you're going to need in order for you to start learning how to make up. Either you want to teach yourself or you want to ask someone to teach you. First of all, girls, before we get into this video, I just want you guys to just subscribe to my channel. Please like my video, comment, so let's get straight into the video. Okay girls, so before I start telling you guys what you're going to need, I want you guys to get a pen and a paper and write down everything I'm going to be saying, and maybe later you could just go ask for how much the price is in your area, so you're going to know if your budget is enough or if you're going to need to add a little bit more. Okay, so this is my own makeup things, like in total this is everything I use. As you can see, I'm storing mine in a makeup purse. This makeup purse, I actually got it for free in a place where my sister actually used to buy makeup. So girls, if you know you want to buy this, I'm thinking it's not going to be that really expensive, so you could just get it, or you can just store your makeup in a box, or you could just keep them on the shelf or in a wardrobe. So guys, let me get straight into it and by telling you guys the first number one important thing to making a makeup, which is of course an eye pencil. This eye pencil, I actually bought mine 100 naira. I don't know how much they're going to be selling it now, but you can just make inquiries and buy it. This eye pencil comes in different colors. There is the one of the black and the brown. For starters, I would like for you to buy the brown one. Okay. And after that, guys, you're also going to need an eyeliner. An eyeliner is 150. You're also going to need a concealer. This concealer, I think I bought my own maybe 200 or 150. I'm not sure because I bought it a very long time. Girls, make sure the concealer you buy is your color, if not exactly your color, a little bit lighter than you. Okay, another thing too that you're also going to be needing is a beginner's brush. This is what a beginner's brush looks like. It comes in 6, or is it 5? It just comes in a little transparent box, so there's no way they're going to be able to cheat you on that one. You're going to know how it looks like. So whereas this brush is used for constructing your eyebrow, like after applying the concealer, then you just apply them where you want to apply them. This one is for brushing out the eyebrow. This one is for the lip construction, just to apply things that you want to apply around the lips. This is your eyeshadow brush. This one is your powder brush. Also going to be needing a mascara. Mine is actually finished, but I just brought the brush. I don't know why. So a mascara in my side is 150. And girls, nowadays makeup is really advancing. It's no longer at that little level stage. So I would not like for you to just waste your money on buying a powder, but in case if you do want to buy the powder, this is how a powder looks like. This is the single one, which has just a mirror, the powder, and a little place just down here where they keep the foam. And the 2-in-1 one is just the mirror, a powder, and another powder, and also a little case where they put a flat foam. So that foam doesn't actually last very well, so you really need to buy this. This is a puff foam. It's maybe around that 500 naira range. Okay, this is what you're going to use to apply your foundation or maybe your powder on your face. So like I said, if you would not like to waste your money and just like want to not buy the powder, you could buy a contour. In this contour, it has 5 powder and 1 shiny thing that they actually use nowadays to highlight your face right here. So this is the smaller set. It comes in a bigger one too. So that's just it for that one. So the last but not the least, you're going to also need your eyeshadow palette. So girls, this palette is the glittery one, but I would recommend for you guys to buy the one that is like half glittery and half plain, because most girls don't like glittery ones and most girls love it. Like me, I like the glittery one very well, but when I use it I really get addicted and I apply so much on my face and I look monstrous. So this palette I bought my 1,200 naira. I still have the price tag right here. I don't know how much they might be selling it here, maybe 2k or maybe 1.5. But girls, like I said, there's a smaller one. There's a smaller one of this. This is just maybe the medium set, okay? So girls, that's just all you need to buy. Also, don't forget you also need a moisturizer. Those ones are not really important. You also need a face wiper. Also not really important. You could just wash your face off with soap and water after you're done enjoying your makeup on your face. And you're also going to need a set spray. That set spray is used for making the makeup on your face last longer than it really can. So girls, that's just all you need to know. Oh guys, I forgot to tell you this, but you're also going to need foundation, and please do make sure you buy quality product and not just quantity. If possible, go to a place like a sample shop, like all those Africa place, and just check around where they sell makeup, because surely they're going to have the ones for sample and also the ones that they actually sell in whole. Okay, and make sure you buy a product that doesn't irritate your skin or cause any effect. If possible, ask Google, ask your aunties, your sister, or any person that is into makeup around you. Okay guys, so maybe another time in my video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a full face makeup with just the materials that I showed to you guys in this video. So that's all guys, bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, and also share this video if you like it. Bye guys.